Hello everybody, good evening, and we welcome you to another live session of very beautiful jewelry. So jewelry is something which has always attracted especially South India. So it has always been linked to a tradition. అందరికీ ఏంటంటే ఒక పిట్టపుడి లాగా ప్లస్ ఒక మన కల్చర్లో ఈ జ్యువెలరీకి ఒక స్థానం ఉంది. సో వీఆర్ ట్రయింగ్ టు గెట్ మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ ఫార్ యూ అట్ లెస్ వెయిట్, something very classy, something very beautiful. And with me my son is there, Kunj, and I am Praveen Kumar, and both of us will take you through today's live session. Kunj, what do you have to say about today's session?
Hi everyone, so we have got some new collections in our add-ons to our ultralight collection. Like we have got new patterns in kantis, we have got new malas and new hangings. So I request you all to go with the flow, have a look at everything, and if you like, please pick it up. Don't wait for once it goes out of stock. It takes as good as 1 month to make it again. So it's my humble request to pick it up as soon as you like it.
Right, so let us take you through all the different designs we have, and Kunj will take you through. As said, once you like it, go for it. We are there for you for a service. Even after taking you don't like it, we give you a 100% refund. That is what is the guarantee about Sri Balaji Jewellers. And you can ask our people also. There have been 1 or 2 incidents out of probably 200 to 300, so as low as 1%, and we have obliged to our word 100% with the same smile. So let's start our today's live about the ultra light jewelry. So let's begin with the item of the day. This is exactly a perfect replica of the Satlada. It is the tradition of the Mughals, and it is something very beautiful. It is very classy. ఇప్పుడు అందరూ పెళ్లిలో ఏంటంటే కింద ఈ సత్లాడ వచ్చేసి పైన చోకర్, సో దట్స్ ఇన్ ట్రెండ్. అండ్ ఇట్స్ హౌ మచ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కొంచెం ద వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రైసింగ్?
This is coming to approximately 2 lakhs.
It's approximately 2 lakhs. Very grand and very beautiful at a very competitive number, and the feel, the make is out of the world, right? So grab it.
Next we have these jhumkas with that.
The jhumkas, the lightweight jhumkas, and very beautiful make, very classy. So we have a lot of hangings and jhumkas this time because people used to ask us. Then this is again a very hot seller now. It's a very beautiful one. Kunj, how much is this set? We have so many inquiries for it.
Around 1.5 lakh.
Around 1.5 lakh with the jhumka?
Yes.
With the jhumka 1.5 lakh, Andy. It's very nice. Lakshmi Devi, Buttalu, very very classy. The make, the feel. So one thing what we always felt is when you shop online, after receiving the product, you should be more happy about it. So that's the feedback which has made us grow, because people have appreciated after the sale also. So next is the evergreen Bottu Mala. So this is a hot seller. People keep on asking me again and again, and we keep on telling it's out of stock. So just one piece is there. Go for it before it flies. Right, Bottu Mala is how much, Kunj, approximately? The Bottu Haram?
Bottu Mala is coming to around 1.9 lakhs.
1.9, and now this is the peacock with the Bottu. Again a lot of inquiries on this. This is again a hot seller. Just one piece we have in stock, Andy. So first come first serve basis.
2.1 lakhs.
2.1 lakhs it
40
is.
grams.
40 grams. Again with the Lakshmi Devi, the same concept. Around the same numbers, 2.1 lakhs. Very beautifully crafted. So now this is a new addition. Again, it's a detachable. Detachable it is? How
Yes,
many
all
lines?
3 lines are detachable.
All
3 lines.
All 3 lines are detachable, Andy. So you can wear it 1, 2, 3. You can mix and match.
విడిగా కాసుల పేరు వేసుకోవచ్చు, విడిగా ఎమరల్డ్ నెక్లెస్ వేసుకోవచ్చు, విడిగా పర్ల్ నెక్లెస్ వేసుకోవచ్చు.
Yeah, so you can mix and match more number of options. So the old saying goes, life needs options.
Around 1.85 to 1.9 lakhs.
1.85. Please mention the weight. Okay, Sai. So this is again a very nice necklace of the ruby emerald style, which we have done in a very light weight, and this weight is 27 grams is the necklace net weight. When we mention the weight, it is always the net weight. We remove the total stone weight from it. 100% deduction. So all the jewelry is 22 karat hallmark. Now again a very hit kanti. So this is again a high flyer. People keep asking us when it is coming back. It's like the Kishore Kumar songs. So a very lovely kanti. Again a very beautiful kanti. So kanti is in now. Hello Chandana, welcome. So 3 to 4 kantis we have Andy. So you can just go for them. It's very beautiful. Again this is the chilli. Kantilo chilli ankochu. So the small one but makes a big dhamaka. Always in demand. So very beautiful. This is also. Price of kanti we will let you know. Kindly DM us for the prices or WhatsApp us. So these are the chokers. Weights okay.
This is coming to around 12 grams.
12 grams this one.
This is coming to around 20 grams.
20 grams.
This is coming to around 21 to 22 grams.
This is 21 to 22 grams.
This is around 22 grams.
This is around 22 grams again. So very lightweight. And then we have the chokers which can be used as the armlets also. So again very hit. Very hot sellers. Always in demand. Orders will be done in 20 to 25 days once they are sold out. Do you have nose rings? Yes, we do have. Kindly send us a WhatsApp. So this is again in stock. Cute hangings, cute chanbalis, all very light. Buttas,
10 grams.
Okatulamlo. Plus even this is a very nice. So we have some good collection of tops and buttas. All the stone weight is subtracted so that you have a clear cut variation. And now you will have the very cute chanbali. And what are these champasaralu called on the top?
These are the Bahubali Champasaralu.
So Bahubali champasaralu andi. Very beautiful. The Bahubali champasaralu.
Around 15 grams a pair.
Around 15 grams a pair.
Around 8 grams.
8 grams.
And then next these chandwalis are coming to around 11 grams.
10 to 11 grams the chanbalis. Very nice. The pearl mala.
6 grams.
6 grams. Again a hot cake. Light parties, you can wear it for office. Very nice. And the classy one. All the pearls we use are Swarovski, and this is again a very hit. It's from a diamond catalog, is it?
Yes. Yes, absolutely.
So from a diamond catalog, the work is very nice, very beautiful. First of all, we thank all our viewers. We are hitting the above 100 numbers nowadays. Now this is again one of my favorite butta. This we had done in Pachi in 60 grams. Now after the keto diet, it is in 27 grams net weight.
The size of the jhumka is as good as 3.5 inches.
3.5 inches long. It is quite wide. So people who want to flaunt around, very beautiful. Okay. So chanbalis. So as we said, we have a collection of all the earrings. A lot of people said they wanted earrings. A lot of earrings are there this time. Can you run through, Kunj? So
Side
again,
piece pearl mala.
Side piece pearl mala. All these again are very light, 50-60,000. Nice collection. Thank you, Reddy Garu, Savili. Again, this is always in demand. The pink beads one. And these are always super hit within a tulam. The green one, the Navratna one, the red one with these guttuls now is a new addition. So we added these now. And then we have the peacock, very cute and nice. We always have these. And the choker, which is a super hit. Again a very nice one. This is one of my favorite in the new arrivals. Again a very beautiful choker copied from the Pachi design. and this is the hot seller, always in demand. So these are the ones, and then we have some nice chandelier jhumkas. So very beautiful Uka Tulamlo, very nice ones. So as you can see, this is again a very unique one. So I've recommended your store, and my cousin, they have purchased. Thank you, Shweta. Thank you so much. Yes, you all our brand ambassadors, and with your recommendations, people have come. We have regular new footfalls, and there has been a very amazing response. Okay, so this is the collection for today, Andy. And first of all, I would like to thank everyone for coming in so many numbers, plus pinging us for purchases and recommending us to your near and dear ones. And it's been an amazing relation with all who have come, and we have been trying to send you all the details as much as possible. So please do not get pestered if we take some time. Generally, we respond in 24 to 48 hours, because as soon as we do a live, we are flooded up with inquiries. But there is an old quotation: we can't spell success without you. So friends, it is because of you that we all are doing so good. We think more to give you much more. So thank you so much. I am Praveen Kumar, and my phone number is 9000 30 30 30, and my son's Kunj's phone number is
99636
99636
26077.
26077. So send us all your inquiries, and happy shopping. Thank you so much.